Look at the car is so good, and this is the Magna variant. So I'm going to give you the full walk around of this car. So let's start at the walk around. Now look at the car is now more stylish in the look and the design of this car. If we talk about the width of this car, the width is about 1.6 meter, which is also so good. And now this car is more wider, longer and taller than the Hyundai Santro, the first generation Hyundai Santro. The width is now increased in this car. 1.6 meter is the width, which is so good. Now look at the grille, as they have not only widened the front of this car, they have also widened the grille of this car. Look at the grille. These are the cascading grills available on this car. Cascading grills with the silver garnish. Also they are surrounded by the silver garnish as well, and here the number plate holder is given as well. Now look at the grill. Now grill is now quite bigger and quite massive in size, attached with the fog lamp. Here you will get the fog lamp for the top models, but for the base model and the Magna model you will not get the fog lamp. But look at the car. Here you will the fog lamp, if there will be fog lamp, this will be attached with the grill of this car, which is so good. Now look at the headlamps. The headlamps are now more massive in size, now more bigger in size. As you can see, the halogen headlamps are available, and Hyundai have also changed the look, and the headlamps of the full style has been changed, and now they have made this car more sporty and better than the previous one. Now look here. Here you will get the Hyundai badging as well, the massive Hyundai logo. And this was the front look of this car. Look at the front. They have completely changed the front, and also they have made better Hyundai Santro. This is the better Hyundai Santro as well. Now let's come to the side profile of this car. The side profile is also much better, and if we talk about the length of this car, the length is about 3.6 meter, and the height of this car is about 1.5 meter, which is also so good. Now look here. Here the tire size is about 155 by 80 or 13 tires. The tires kept the same as well. The 13 inches tires are available. The C8 tires are available. Look at the tire for the front. For the Magna variant, you will get the steel wheel as well. As you can see, you will get the steel wheel for the Magna variant. Disc brakes are available at the front, and the First strut suspension are available at the front. And if we look at the rear, you will get the drum brake and the coupled torsion beam axle suspension, which is also so good. Now let's talk about this. Here you will get the indicator as well. The indicators are placed here, and this is the ORVM of this car. The body color ORVM is available. This is the manually adjustable ORVM. You can see from here you can adjust the ORVM. And also if we talk about more of the side look of this car, the side is so good and so much better than the the first generation Hyundai Santro. As you can see here, the door, mirrors and everything has been quite massive in size. As I have already shown you the review of the first generation Hyundai Santro, so you can check it. The link is in description, so you can click on the link to check whether it is better or not. Now let's talk about the rear of this car. Look at the rear. Rear is also quite fantastic, and here the tail lamps are, the red lenses tail lamps are available, and here the clear lenses are available, as you can see. And the tail lamps are also quite changed, but in the Hyundai Santro you will get the massive tail lamps, as you can see. But here you will get simple tail lamps, and these are much suited on the car, and lots of curve work. As in the Hyundai first generation Hyundai Santro, you will get a curve work only, like this curve work, like a C work, like in alphabet C. Here the rear work is, but in this you will get a curve C from here, then you will get this like this. But in the first generation you will get like this only, okay, like this. Okay, so this is the difference in the Hyundai Santro first generation and the third generation. Now look here. Here the Santro is written, as you can see. The badging of Santro is given here. Here the Hyundai is given, the badging is given here. The car is quite dirty, but I need to make the video, that's why I have made this. Now look here. Here you can see the double tone color has been given. As you can see here, you will get a reflector here, and the parking sensors are available for the Magna variant. As you can see, the 2 parking sensors are also given in this car. Now let's talk about this. Here the roof spoiler is given, and antenna is also available in this car. The power antenna is also available. Look here the antenna is, you can open it or according to yourself. Now let's get to the interior work of this car, then we will talk about the interior feature of this car. So first I will tell you that keyless entry is not available in this car. You need to plug in the key and unlock this car, and keyless entry is not available. Also, now look here the double tone door is given. As you can see, here the green color is, and here the black color is available. Lots of hard plastic has been used in this car. Lots of hard plastic is used. Here you can keep a water bottle. 1 liter water bottle can easily fit inside the car, and here you can keep your lots of stuff, whatever you want to keep. Here the double tone texture, and what I have already told you that in most of the Hyundai car you will get such a great design. Yesterday I have shown you the design, this design in the Grand i10 Nios, and in i10 Nios, Grand i10, also in Santro. You will get the same design as well. As I have already told you that Hyundai use this design in most of their car. And look here the design is as well. Look at the design of this car. Lots of noises outside. Now look here the speaker is given as well, and that's all. You will get no window opener button is given on the door. They have not given any button to open the door. They have made the door much simple and much stylish also. Not so much work has been done also. Now look here the power adjustable window is available. As you can see, from here you can manually adjust the window. That's what you want and what I want to show you. Now look at the interior of this car. Also, the interior has been completely changed in this Hyundai Santro, and I am so glad to see such a great interior. As you can see, the double tone interior is available in this car. Sporty black color has been used, and the green color is also available in this car. Now look at the seat. On the seat you will get the same texture and the color tone also. Now the seats are so comfortable. As I have already told you, Hyundai made their car more comfortable and more stylish. Now I can show you that from here you can adjust the seat according to yourself. From here also you can adjust the seat. From here you can adjust the height. Now let's get to the rear first, then I will tell you the front of the car. Show you the front. Okay, let's close this. So here the rear is, as you can see, the door curve work is so good, and here the work is done so well. And in Hyundai you will not get such a work. Hyundai Santro, previous Hyundai Santro, you will not get such a work. You will get only the simple door, and the windows are so small in the Hyundai first generation Hyundai Santro. Now look at the seat. The rear seats are also so good. You will get the headrest, rear headrest, but the center headrest is missing in this car. The door is quite simple and quite nice, but here in the first generation Hyundai Santro you will get the manually window opener, but here you have the button to open the window, which is also so good. At the rear door they have given the button, but at the front they have not given the button. What is this? Now look here the whole work is done, and look at the design of this car. Lots of plastic has been used, hard plastic has been used, and look here, lots of cut and cross work has been done. And let's get inside the car to show you more things inside the car. Now it is quite easy to get inside the car, and the seats are again so comfortable. But in the first generation Hyundai Santro, the not such a great comfort has been given. As I will tell you again, what is the reason for such a great comfort is the knee room. Look at the knee room. Not as much knee room has been given in this car if we compare it with the Nios, but the knee room is quite good if we compare it with the first generation Hyundai Santro. They have much more given. They have much more a massive amount of knee room is given by Hyundai in the new third generation Hyundai Santro, as you can see, and lots of leg room is given as well. Leg room is also quite good. Under thigh support is also given. Here the under thigh support is also given. Like this, they have made the seat like the Nios in the Grand i10 Nios, In all the variants they give such a great seat. As you can see here, the depth of the seat, look at the depth. They have made the seat like this, so the under thigh support is much better in this car. Now look, this make the drive much more better. Here the AC vent is given as well. This made the drive much more better and more good. Now look at the AC vent. As you can see, this make this drive much more better and enjoyable, as I have already told you. Now the Hyundai Sentro is much better, as in the first generation Hyundai Sentro you will not get such a great leg room, knee room, and the comfort. The rear headrest is also available, and if you talk about the headroom, the headroom is also much better because of the length of the car, because of the height of the car. The wider grill of the wider car has been provided by, and easily 3 people can easily sit on the rear seat. And also the first generation Hyundai Sentro, 3 people can also easily sit on the rear. And here also, now look here, the head here the lights are, wait a minute, I will close the door and the lights will automatically close. As you can see, now I have opened the door. Okay, wait, look here, the lights are getting open because of the door open sensor. As you can see here, the image is also given that if you open the door, the light will get on. Now let's get to the driver's seat. Before getting here, you will get the door handle. Handles are also given here, holders are given here. Now let's get to the driver's seat also. Here you will get the space for your water bottle and small stuff you can put easily. Now let's get to the boot also. Let's open the boot, then I will tell you the more features. So guys, now let's get to the boot of this car. Let's open this. Okay, the boot will get open from here. As you can see, from here you need to open the boot. Here the petrol fuel lead opener is given, and here the bonnet opener is given. As you can see, now let's open the boot. Now the boot gets open. Now let's get to the rear. Here the boot is 235 liter of boot space is given in this car, which is so good and so nice. A decent amount of space has been given in this car. You can also keep your luggage in this car easily. A decent amount of boot space is given. Not so much boot space is given, as you can see, not so much boot space is given, but decent boot space is given. We can't say massive boot space is given. Now look here, the R13 tires are available as well. The spare tires are also the 155 by 18 R13 tires, and the steel wheels are available, because not all the 4 standard tires are also not the alloy. Now let's get to the driver's seat. So before getting to driver's seat, I want to adjust the seat. Okay, so you need to put pressure to adjust the seats. Okay, but these are not getting adjusted with the single hand. Finally the seats are getting adjusted. Now let's get inside the driver's seat. At the driver's seat, I am going to sit inside the car. Now let's close this. Oh, so look at the interior. The interior is quite nice, and what can I say about the seat? The seats are all the way so comfortable and so nice. I have adjusted the seat, but they are so good and so nice. This is what the Hyundai made in their car, and the headrests are also available in this car. Look at the leg room and the knee room of this car. Look here, the leg room and the knee room of this car. A massive leg room and the knee room is given. If you are driving alone, you can adjust the seat for such a great leg room and knee room. Also, if someone passengers are also sitting in the car, you can just adjust the seat, and then only you will get the such a great comfort and safety also. If we talk about the safety, you will get the front driver airbags are available, not the front passenger airbags are available for this variant. Also, if we talk about the steering is quite good now, better than the before one. Also, why I'm saying this, because now the steering is quite good and quite
better than the before one steering as the first generation Hyundai Santro because of the look of this car, as they have made this feature, as they have kept this feature same, because no chrome symbol logo has been given in the first generation Hyundai Santro and in this third generation Hyundai Santro as well. Now look at the steering. The steering is multifunctioning as well. Here the call pickup, call cut option is available, and here the whole features are available. Volume, mute, and every mode has been given here, which is also so good. And here the headlamps control has been given, as you can see the headlamps control, and also they have kept this part same. The AC vents are also same at the both the side, because here you will get the same AC vent and there also the AC vent is same, but here the AC vent is different. And also if we talk about the center console, they have changed the central console, as they have made this car much better than the previous one, and the center console is much bigger now because of this, the work of this car. Look at the work. And now here you will get much more feature. Here the garnish is given, not the silver garnish is available in this car, greenish garnish is available in this car. Look here, the wiper control has been given, as you can see. Here the whole control is given. Touch screen is available for the top variants, not for the base models. And here you will get the audio, radio, phone, everything is given here. And here the AC control has been given, as you can see the AC control has been given. And look here the charging socket is given, you can keep your phone here. And look here the manual gearbox is available, 5-speed gearbox is available in this car, which is also so good. The gear is also so good. Look here, the comfortable gear is given. And if we talk about the buttons, window control has been given, not on the door but here, as you can see. And if we talk about this is much comfortable, because while we are driving the car we can't touch like this, we need to focus on this, we need to just do like this. And all the 4 window control has been given here, which is also so good. Now look here you can keep your coins and whatever you want to keep. Here you can keep your water bottle, cup holder is also given here. And here you can keep your phone or whatever you want to keep, just a small space is given. Okay, now look here the space has been given for a stuff also. Now look here, the glove box is quite decent, not such a great space has been given in the glove box, but okay, not such a great space has been given, but a good space, decent space is given. Now look here, the infotainment, the multi-functioning cluster is given here. The tachometer, speedometer, and the digital screen has been given, as you can see here. The digital meter is given, as you the date, time, and how many mileage this car is giving, and many more features are available. Okay, so now let's talk about the engine features and the difference between the first generation and the third generation Hyundai Santro is. But I have not shown you this. Here you will not get a mirror, here you will also not get a mirror. Here the inside rear view mirror, you can manually adjust this mirror. Okay, now let's talk about the features of this car. Okay, the engine type of this car is 1.1 MPI petrol engine is available in this car, which is also so good and so nice. If we talk about the engine you will get in this car is available in CNG and the petrol variant. You can choose according to yourself. If we talk about this car, this is so fantastic, and a good family hatchback is given by the Hyundai as well. And they have this is the third generation Hyundai Santro, which is much better than the first generation. How this is much better, let's compare. Okay, the dashboard design, this car comes with a BS6 component, which is also so good. And if we talk about many more feature of this car, now the dashboard is also quite classy and quite better. In now better finish has been given to the car, as you can see on the screen. The better dashboard is given, and quite a good amount of space has been given to keep your stuff and everything also. Now look, if we talk about the feature, this is the Magna variant, so not so much features are given, as manually adjustable ORVM is given, and also some things are not, keyless entry is also not available. But if we talk about the more comfort features, the comfort features are available in this Magnum variant. As you can see here, the headrest is given. As you can see here, the headrest at front, rear also is given. Lots of leg room is given. As I have shown you the leg room of this car, lots of leg room is given, lots of space has been given to keep your stuff. And if we talk about more features of comfort features, the more comfort features is adjustable, height adjustable, and adjustable seats are available in this car, which is also so good. And if we talk about the whole look of this car, the whole look is quite awesome and quite good. And also inside, the buttons are not given, window control buttons are not given on the door, they are given on the inside on the center console, which is much more better also. And if we talk about the tire size, the tire is kept same. And the suspension has been changed. Now the better suspension has been given. McPherson stud suspension. In most of the comfortable cars, these suspensions are used, so which is also much better. And if we talk about the cluster is now digital, not the old cluster has been given. The cluster has been now digital, which is also so much better and so good. And the whole look is now changed. The length has been increased, the width also increased, the height is also increased. As you can see, the headroom is given. If we talk about the seats are not the height of the seat is not adjusted, but such a great headroom is given in this car, which is also so good. Now look, if we talk about the safety features, the driver airbags are available. Now the body of this car has been made more better than the first generation car as well. Lots of hard plastic has been used, as I have already shown you. Door sensor are not available, but door sensor lights are available, as I have shown you that. Look here, the door sensor lights are available. As I will open the door, look here, the door sensor are available. As you can see here, the lights are look here, the door sensor lights are available. If the door is opened, then the lights will get on, which is a great feature. Now I am opening the door. Wait a minute. As you can see, the doors are as the door opened, the lights get on. Now let's close this. Wait a minute, I need to put force on this. Now the lights get closed. This is a safety feature as well. We can think about this. And the charging socket is also given, which is a good feature, comfort feature. And hand brakes are available. Disc brakes are available at the front, which is a safety feature. And ABS with EBD is also available in this car, which is also a safety feature. Now if we talk about the whole work is so good. Indicators are available, the ORVM is available, rear parking sensor is available, safety feature is also available in rear parking sensor. ORVM is also given, manually adjustable, but ORVM is given. Seat belts are also given. As you can see, the seat belts are also given. Now what is the engine quality? If we talk about the engine quality, the engine is so good. As the first generation Hyundai Santro, they are now also in much better condition. If we are going to search, people are purchasing the second hand Hyundai Santro also because of the engine quality of this car. Proper servicing has been given. Maintenance quality of Hyundai is so much better. As I have shown you the customer review, they have they have tells many good features about the Hyundai as well. Their servicing is also so good. That's why people are purchasing this. The look, the stylish cars made by Hyundai, that's why people are also purchasing. Now if we talk about the entertainment feature, the entertainment feature is also given. As I have already showed you, the touch screen is not available, but Bluetooth connectivity is also given. USB cable is also given. Okay, also given Bluetooth connectivity. Everything is given in this car, which is also good. I am going to show you. As you can see on the screen, the Bluetooth connectivity is also given. On the AC vents are also available. This is what the car have. And if we talk about the mileage of this car, the mileage has been also increased in this car. Engine displacement 1998 cc engine is available. If we talk about the power generation, 69 bhp of power this car is going to generate, which is also so good. And if we talk about the boot space is 235 liter, which is also so good. lots of comfort feature has been given, and this is a better car if you are going to purchase this, and the look is kept better, made better than the previous one, and the comfort, all the features are so good, and the seats are much more comfortable as you can see, and the seats are also so comfortable, and so good amount of legroom is given as well. So guys, if you're thinking to purchase this, so you can purchase it. It is much more better. So guys, that's it for today guys. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दें, और मेरे फेसबुक इंस्टा ट्विटर पेजेस पे अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया तो लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए मेरी वीडियोस या किसी भी कार के मुझे जल्दी से फॉलो कर लें, और भूलें ना इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक कर दे जिससे आप मेरे चैनल पे भी को सब्सक्राइब कर सकें, और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दे जिससे लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपको तुरंत मिल जाए. सो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. टिल देन गुड बाय.